the first question. Which of the following is not a principle of design? Now, understanding the basic principles of design, if you have followed our YouTube channel, the day 1 of the 51-day course, which is already live on the same YouTube channel, you will find the lecture, and we have discussed in the topic of elements and principles of design in detail, and also we learned about tricks how to remember it. So this was a direct question from what we studied in that lecture already. So which of the following is not a principle of design? Focal point, rhythm, unity, emphasis. Those who have studied about the principles and elements of design, I'm sure you know that rhythm, unity and emphasis, all these are principles of design. The only aspect of only option which is not a principle of design over here, that is focal point. Focus can be a principle of design, but focal point is a particular point which might not exactly be a principle of design. So the most relevant option which is not a principle of design, that would be the first option, focal point, because focus is a principle of design, but focal point not necessarily is one of the basic principles of design, whereas the other ones are. If you have checked out our day 1 of the 51-day course, for those students who are not aware about it, let me also tell you, we at KP Classes have launched a very successful and very useful course for NATA and also JEE aspirants, JEE paper 2 aspirants, wherein in 51-day course we cover the entire syllabus of NATA and also JEE in detail by discussing every aspect of it. So you can check out the link for that course in the description of this video as well if you're preparing for the examination.